Okay, we're rolling. So tell me your favorite part about coming to school every day.
Well, learning something new every day is something that's very exciting.
Pouring into the students and watching their reactions when I've taught them something.
I really appreciate how authentic and welcoming and kind everyone is.
My instructor, because he sets the tone every day for whenever I come in.
The people and the instructors, Mr. C and Miss Angela and Miss Araceli, they are the best and they're so funny and I love them.
Being a part of and witnessing their growth.
Inspiring the students. It makes me so happy just to see them learning all the stuff about cosmetology.
The service that my staff and faculty provide to our students.
I love meeting the students, enrolling them, so I love seeing the progression that they've done from the beginning to end.
To see the growth in the students, skill and their confidence, and to just see the excitement of what they're learning.